Welcome to the Melon channel on YouTube and welcome to Handyman Mending. Today we are topping up car battery using a charger. The car has not been used for weeks. The battery losses charge because of two main reasons. The lead-acid battery has a slow self-discharge and the car alarm immobilizer has a small electrical power draw. Accumulated over weeks can reduce the energy stored in the battery. The beginning charge-up current is 8.1 ampere, gradually reduced to 1.8 amps after a few hours. Finally, the word full is displayed on the LCD on the charger. About 25% of the 80 mAh capacity has been added back to the battery. There is a small window on the battery. Green color means the battery is healthy and charged up, as can be seen in this example. Regular lead-acid batteries should not be allowed to become fully depleted. They must be kept always holding some charge. On our second example, the battery is fairly depleted but not empty. On this battery there is also a window and it is dark. Green color is not seen in it. The charger is connected to the terminals on this battery. It is fully charged after being left overnight. The green indication comes through clearly. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, vote and subscribe to the Melon channel on YouTube. See you in our next video. Bye.